Solving complex engineering problems takes more than a single tool. That's why so many engineers rely on the Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. With a complete set of powerful design, simulation, and manufacturing tools at your fingertips, you can move faster, reduce risk, and bring your ideas, products, or entire factories to life. Inventor powers your 3D design for even the most complex custom machinery. AutoCAD provides fast, reliable 2D drafting, essential for everything from fabrication drawings to factory layouts. Inventor Nastran helps you simulate, test, and validate performance early so you can design with confidence. And with factory design utilities, you can plan smarter production environments with better efficiency and lower downtime. When it's time to connect your work to the cloud, Autodesk Fusion gives you advanced engineering workflows, plus access to the AI-powered industry cloud for manufacturing, so your extended team can automate, collaborate, and scale smoothly. Whether you're building industrial machines, designing custom building products, or transforming entire factories, plan, design, simulate, and manufacture without silos. Solving complex engineering problems takes more than a single tool. The Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection provides you everything you need to tackle them.